When a vehicle rolls into your shop with an illuminated TPMS light, most technicians know the drill. Check tire pressure, test the sensor, and if needed, perform a relearn. But every so often, things get a little wonky. Maybe the TPMS tool won't detect a signal. Maybe the system refuses to complete a relearn, even though every step was done right. These aren't just frustrating moments. They're opportunities to sharpen your team's diagnostic skills and show customers the real value of TPMS maintenance. Feel like you have a lost signal? Check for interference. A TPMS sensor doesn't just beam information straight to the receiver. The signal has to travel through layers of metal, suspension components, and sometimes even brake assemblies before it reaches the antenna. If a tool can't detect the sensor during a relearn, it might not be the tool or the battery at all. It could be interference. Rolling the vehicle forward a few feet often changes the sensor's position just enough for the signal to reach your receiver. Something else to keep in mind is that TPMS tools rely on accurate, up-to-date vehicle data. Every software update contains bug fixes and new model year information that can make or break a successful programming session. Skipping updates means missing qualifiers like trim level, rim type, or sensor frequency. Selecting the wrong option can easily cause communication failures or incorrect programming. That's why it's important to keep those tools updated to ensure technicians are pairing sensors with the right data, reducing comebacks and wasted time on the rack. Every TPMS sensor contains its own tiny battery designed to last around 7 to 10 years. Under normal conditions, a sensor conserves power by going into sleep mode when the vehicle is parked. But when a sensor's battery nears the end of its life or the circuit inside fails, it can behave unpredictably, even staying awake and transmitting constantly. That output may manifest as unexplained battery drain. Odd TPMS issues don't have to stay that way. They're reminders that even small components play a big role in vehicle safety. Your team should have the knowledge to solve problems others might overlook. The key is communication. Walk customers through what happened, why it happened, and what you did to fix it. That transparency builds confidence and positions your shop as a trusted source for reliable diagnostics, not just quick fixes. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.